Makita ko talaga mapagod aain niya. Sana all po. My secret, how are you? What's with the emoji of like that? The emoji. Bakit the emoji secret? How are you? Thank you, secret. Thank you, secret. Thank you. It's only one. It's only 1K. Thank you, secret. Thank you so much. Oh my god. Did you know last time I'll also send me to he helped me. He helped me win last time. So yeah. I'm not going to win California. Thank you so much. Thank you. Alright. Secret. Thank you. Oh my god. $100. Thank you, secret. Oh, I'm getting sweaty. Wait. Wait. Oh my god. Thank you so much, secret. So, hani uban paano sa ako tabi. Thank you so much, secret. Thank you for helping. Thank you so much. So, CJ-chan, I'm gonna give it back to you. The one you give me. I wanna go to Prime. I wanna change my farm, but I don't have any issue about it. I want to go to Prime. Not just only they're famous, but like they're friendly. Even the other keeper, the spender, always give back. I wanna go here. Not a Filipino. Right? Like, God. Like, I wanna be in Prime. Sell your farm first and message me after. Okay. I'll tell. I'm gonna ask them. After I get quota. Siguro, I think, next month, I'll message you, and I'll go to Prime. Promise me that, ha? Thank you, secret. Thank you, secret. It's only 100. Yes, thank you, secret.